Welcome to Changes for a Lifetime, the channel where you will definitely learn something new. It could be plant-based, whole food of course, beauty, natural ingredients, garden, or a lifestyle hack. Today, it's going to be a recipe, plant-based, really one ingredient, you all. We're making almond butter. It is so good. So just stay tuned. We're going to make this together. It's going to be quick and easy. All you need really is raw organic almonds, a blender, high-powered, little salt, and a little spice. Spices of your choice. I like pumpkin seasoning. But let's do this, okay? Let's do this. So 1 quart of almonds, raw, organic. Just spread them out. Cook for 7 to 10 minutes on a 350-degree oven. But I want you all to watch it, okay? Because it should be medium brown, not dark brown. The dark brown, your almond butter is going to taste burnt. 7 to 10 minutes, 350. Stay tuned. So they're done, and you have to let them cool 100%. They're nice and cool, and they're dark. Well, not really dark, they're medium dark, okay? And they don't smell burned. So this is going to be loud, so I don't want you all to experience that. So, here goes. This is the consistency that you're looking for. You just put a little bit of salt and you're going to reblend it again. I like to put in a bit of spice, pumpkin spice, just a little sprinkle. Can you all see? That's about enough. Gives it a nice flavor, different. I like it. You should try it. So after you've made your peanut butter and scraped all that you can out, this is what you're left with. A beautiful pint, from a quart to a pint, fully croissant. But then you have this left over in your blender. So what I do is make a smoothie. This is a great time to have an almond butter smoothie with all your other fixings. So that's how we're going to clean this out. But right now, this is what I normally do with the almond butter that I make. This is my nightly treat, you all. I like Fuji apples. This is not one though. Use my little gadget here. I won't take you through all of that. But this is how I eat my almond butter. Probably 50% of the time. No, really more than that, probably 90%. So good. Make this. I'm so glad you tuned in. Peace and blessings. Subscribe, like, share. Make this. Have a wonderful day. See you on the next video.